What does the madrasa program of the K-12 curriculum prove? Would this be letter A, unity? Aba, unity! Oy, it reminds us of something. Letter B, gender sensitivity. Letter C, exclusivity. Or letter D, inclusivity. What is our choice? Okay, number 23, letter D, ang sabi ng taong bayan, the Madrasa Program. Of course, good evening sa lahat ng mga Muslim brothers and sisters natin. Assalamualaikum po sa inyong lahat. Marami po tayong mga students dyan sa parting Mindanao, no? So, kung saan concentrated yung ating mga Muslim brothers and sisters. Alright? No? So, the Madrasa Program, when you say Madrasa, actually, no, it is an Islamic term for a school. Okay? So, if hindi nyo pa po alam, no, nakapagturo po ako sa Saudi Arabia, and so, medyo na-learn ko rin, pag-aralan ko din yung kulturang Muslim. Okay? So, of course, so choice po natin dito is letter D, inclusivity. No? Lahat po ay welcome. Lahat po ay bahagi ng ating curriculum. Okay? So, inclusive, not exclusive. Hindi din po siya about gender. No? So, letter D ang ating hinahanap.